Don't make me close. Yuck! Close one more door. Stay in my arms. Hi. Look at my shiny ass face. But basically, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very busy day and you're gonna just come along with me. Vanessa's over because our plan is to go make mood boards for 2024, set our intentions right for the new year, goals and shit like that. We've made Pinterest boards. This is mine. Rah. We're gonna print out the pictures, get some stickers, rah stuff like that. I also need storage for my shoes. That's where my shoes are stored, but it's getting out of hand because I have too many shoes, so I need to get like storage bins for it. We're gonna do that, but before that I'm gonna clean my room. But this is what my room currently looks like. It's an absolute mess. I'm gonna clean it. We just have clothes on here, shoes for Sonia, drawers are open. Look, here's my shoes. It's overflowing there, and then I have shoes here, guys. I think I'm gonna get like boxes that go up to here, and then we can store our shoes. But we're gonna clean, and Vanessa's over.
Oh, hi.
Say hi.
You got me off guard.
Hurrah.
Hi, Anna's vlog. I don't know if this looks like, okay guys.
No, it doesn't. Literally like the first thing I thought about was, girl, you're like going to soccer training or something.
I thrifted this shirt. I can't tell if it's giving like primary school sports shirt kind of vibes or like the soccer shirt vibe I was going for. It matches my nails. Bro, I thrifted it from Salvo's for like $5.
So she got some New Balance.
I saw those on the website actually.
The Air Max 90s, I think. And then she got these, I think it's Cortez or something. The Sambas. We sell Sambas now. I got changed. This is the fit. We're basically twins.
We're matching.
Yeah. I got my shocks on. But yeah, just like the soccer type jersey, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? But this part of the vlog is an unboxing. I think this is the bag. That's definitely the bag. And then I got my jewelry from AliExpress. I got it off Facebook Marketplace. It's a guest bag. Hopefully it's nice and beautiful. It's a shoulder bag.
Reveal for me as well. It's cute.
Raw. $30 and $11 shipping.
I like this.
I thought she was gonna scam me. I'm so sorry. That's what it looks like.
Let's see what this is.
A little golden A.
This is.
Oh, that's nice. This is the gold.
Did you change out earrings?
I did, because I had the silver ones before. This is this one. Oh, could you open it? I think it's my sister. I think it's Jimmer. Hi, Jimmer. Hello. A sweet one, or we can do a vanilla. I feel like today's a vanilla vibes. So what do you do? Bruh. I feel like I look naked without like any mascara. I changed because I kind of just wanted to wear this jacket, and I put in bows in my hair. This is the fit. I think I'm going to keep the shoes the same, and underneath I'm just wearing a black simple. This is like my go-to work top now. Might make this more a little bit more cropped.
Okay, this is my outfit. So this top, I thrifted it recently. My glass on jeans, and then my new shoes too. Some of Friday's lip balm. Thank you, Iris, for getting me this. It's my favorite now.
Rah, I got my Dior, whatever this. Thank you, Sonia, for getting me that. I realized that I like a glossy lip.
Yeah. Yeah. God. First off, little bitch.
Why do I look like that? We're back in Kmart. We're gonna go do our pictures now. This is like the size. I don't think it's too big for me. I have like 50 photos. Vanessa, how many photos do you have?
15.
Okay, let's print this one. Let's crop it. Alright gang, we're home. Look, I put on the necklaces that I bought today that came in the mail. They're cute. I'm gonna order another one that's like a different style. It just says Dung, but I feel like I don't know if it's too much. Like I need like a simpler textured one. The prints, I did mine in 5x3 and it's like the glossy finish and it was 20 cents. 20 cents? 20 cents for instant, 15 cents for 1 hour, and then 10 cents for next day. But we got the instant one because we wanted to make it now. This is the board. I think I might make mine bigger.
I found a ball, chicka boom boom. I found a ball. Yeah, hey, shop ice cream.
I'll show you some of my photos.
Bye.
Some YouTube stuff. Some stuff for like, I want to work on that. Some friends, waking up early in the morning, car. Okay, so my goal is to like do a collage, maybe like that. I have a lot of images. I printed out 50 and they're not all gonna fit. I might end up like cutting the pictures, like for example this picture. This is what it currently looks like. I just gotta snip the sides and then glue it down. Alright guys, we finished our vision board. This is mine. As you can see.
I love
What does
it.
it look like?
It's cute.
I'll do a little bit of explaining. So this one is, you know, cute little date. This one is the little YouTube thing that I want to do, grills business. I want to burn a bike, and if a man comes with it, you know, we love that. Podcast, going out with friends, taking more Instagram pictures, starting a business. This is like Colleen Diaz's collaboration with En Route Jewelry, and I want to start a jewelry business because obviously the girls and stuff. Traveling, money in the bank account, taking myself on dates. This is like studying stuff to be more creative and stuff. More subscribers, gym stuff, more girls stuff, getting packages or sending out packages to people, and then YouTube, and then traveling with friends, waking up early in the morning. So yeah.
Okay, this is my mood board, everybody.
Raw.
Oh, vision board. I keep calling it a mood board. Here she is.
So cute. Explain your
Wait, don't put me on the
vision
spot like that. Okay. Just a whole heap of routine.
Mm-hmm.
A success.
Uh-huh.
And travel.
Nice.
Basically sums everything up. But yeah, that's my mood board. So hopefully this all manifests into reality in 2024.
I think that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. I didn't end up buying the shoes thing because they were too expensive. I think I'm gonna buy it online. But yeah, I should do like a hair tutorial next, even though I have no idea about hair. But anyways. Bye guys.
Bye everybody.
Say bye.
See ya.